Hi there, thanks for clicking in. I'm Dave Brown, and we are making something from Cooking with Aunt Connie. This is one of her decidedly American recipes. When I first saw it, I thought, this is so cuckoo. I'm someone who bakes from scratch normally, and there's nothing from scratch about this, but it is ridiculously tasty. So I want to share it. It's simple. You will love this. The ingredients are canned cherries, melted butter, yellow cake mix, and walnuts that I don't even chop. And so wait till you see how we do this. All right, this is it. The recipe calls for a 9 by 13 pan, but I'm going to make these in two 8 by 8, and it works out fine. I've done this before. I've laid in a can of cherries into each of these. I'm going to sprinkle, this is exactly how you do it. I'm going to sprinkle my cake mix. And that's it. We pop this into a 325 oven for 40 minutes, and I'll show you when it's done. And there you have it. Cuckoo Cherry Jubilee. It is a party in a pan. Thank you, Aunt Connie.